How to recover deleted stories in Facebook. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. Tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Now after you do that, you will reach to this page where you want to tap on download your information in your information section. Here you need to tap on continue. A pop-up will appear where you want to tap on request download, then select your Facebook pages, then tap on next that is on the bottom. As you do that, you want to go ahead and tap on select types of information. Now as you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on see more, and then you want to tap on stories. As you select that, you want to go ahead and tap on next. Then you want to tap on notify and then enter the email address. You want to put the format as HTML as it is, and then media quality to medium to qualitative, and then data range as it is. After you're done that, you want to tap on submit request. And that is how you will be able to recover deleted stories on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.